Hello, my dear children. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new for this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest videos notification. Now, in this video, we are going to write the fifth program for class 11th. I will explain it about. It is to find sale price of an item where cost price and discount percentage is given. So we can go to the Python and write a program for that. So it is Python screen, open new file, and here you can give some comment, say to calculate sale price of an item. As you know that whenever you go to the shop, suppose you are going to the stationery shop and purchasing some stationery, so whatever is the marked price that has been totaled, and at last the bookseller is giving certain percentage of discount, say 5%, 10%. So that percentage of discount and MRP, that is marked price, marked total price of all the books, all the items will be entered, as well as how much discount percent the sales, I mean this bookseller is giving. And after that this will calculate the sale price, exact sale amount what is to be handed over to the bookseller. See, first of all, here we will input marked price. For inputting marked price, I will write say MRP is equal to any variable you can take. You can take marked price also. You can take complete marked price equal to since this is amount, so we'll be taking in float, then input statement. Input will allow us to give something in the form of string, and that float will typecast into float value. Enter marked price, then colon, bracket close. Similarly, you will enter the discount percent also, DISC, P लिख देता हूँ मैं, is equal to, let us copy paste the same and change the message. Similar way you have to give input. Discount percent you need not to give in percentage. Only suppose it is 15%, so you have to enter 15 only, not percent symbol. Remember, in input we don't put comma, space symbol, and you can say percent symbol or any dot, etc. Enter discount percent. Suppose I am putting this symbol within a string, within inverted commas you can put any symbol. That is just for prompting and helping message to the user who is inputting the information. After that, let us calculate the discount. Actual discount क्या आएगा? DISCOUNT, discount in rupees. So that means MRP का discount percent कैसे निकालेंगे? Marked price into discount percent, DISCP upon 100. So it will calculate the actual discount, how many rupees have become the discount, which has to be subtracted from marked price. That will become sale price. So sale price is equal to marked price minus discount percent, DISCP. No, not discount percent, rather this actual discount, DISCOUNT, actual discount. So let us print both discount as well as sale price for the output. Print discount equal to rupees then inverted comma close comma discount, discount. And similarly you can copy and make the necessary changes for printing the sales price. So here I will write sale price in place of discount. Sale price equal to rupees. Then what is the name of the variable? Sale underscore price. Sale underscore price. Okay, our program is completed now. Let us save it. Control S. On the desktop I am saving it with the name P1 suppose. P1 already exist करता, उसी पर overwrite कर देंगे हम लोग. So already exist, overwrite. Now press F5. Enter marked price. Suppose the cost of some book is rupees 500 or 400 and 10% discount, so I am putting 10. So what is the actual discount? You are getting 40 rupees discount. 400 का 10% 40 हुआ, and 400 minus 40, this is the sale price you have to pay, that is 360. Similarly you can run this program as many times as you want. I am putting 1000 and suppose discount is 5%, so you are getting discount of 50 rupees and 1000 minus 50 is 950. So that way you can, I mean, run this and get the answer. See, the program has already been written. I have demonstrated through, I mean, by writing within the Python IDE. Although this is the program that is pre-written, I had written this. 2 lines में comments हैं, and the same program as you have seen there. Marked price entered, discount percent entered, then discount is calculated, marked price into discount percent upon 100, then sale price equal to marked price minus discount. Discount is printed and sale price is printed. See the output. This is the output that you have seen on the, I mean, in the Python IDE after executing the program. And marked price I have entered 400, discount percent 10, then discount is 40 rupees and sale price 400 minus 40, 360 rupees. So thank you very much. If you have liked this video and understood this program, so please like, share and subscribe with your friends. Share with your friends so that they can also understand such programs, formula based programs. Thank you very much. Thank you.